Are you a dentist who wants to take control of the process of launching your first dental practice? Hi, my name is Maritza Duran, and I am so excited to share with you our startup toolkit that is going to help you be in control of the entire process, from setting up your entity to the build out to who is going to be assigned to do every task throughout the entire project in an organized, chronologically thought out manner. I'm also going to include in this free toolkit all of the list of the plans and the relationships and the top employers for the country so that you can understand who the top employers are and what insurance they offer their employees to help you navigate all of the questions pertaining to the business model you want to incorporate in your practice. I'm also going to add there checklists such as OSHA compliance checklists and other amazing things that are going to, again, empower you to take control of the entire process of launching a dental practice from scratch in a way that it's going to help you be in control of the project and not at the mercy of all the other people that are part of this journey with you. So download your free copy below of your ultimate startup toolkit. See you on the other side.